The Proteus MMX Inspection application is an easy tool for the inspection of assets within Proteus MMX. While performing inspections, you can enter reports of findings using your provided mobile device. To add inspection from an inspection web, log in using your username and password. Click on New to create an inspection. Select the inspection type, single service or group service. After you've completed the above step, you'll click the Add button to add inspections or questions. Select a response type from the drop-down menu labeled Response Type. If you select Group Service from the Inspection Type drop-down menu, you'll have to fill out the section name and field. Click the Finish button after completing the inspection. Inspections can be deleted and modified by clicking Delete, Edit, or Edit Selection. Once you've completed these steps, go to Proteus MMX. All added inspections will be shown in the Inspection module under Work Order. To access the Inspections Navigator, you can go to the Work Orders module and click on Inspections from the drop-down menu. You can associate inspections in a Work Order Master through the Inspection tab in the Work Order Masters module. To access the Inspection tab, you will 1. Go to the Work Orders module. 2. Click on the Work Order Masters from the drop-down menu. 3. Click on the new icon to create a Work Order Master. 4. Once you have created the Work Order Master, you will click on the Inspections tab located to the right of the Alarms tab. To associate to an inspection, you will 1. Click on the Addition button in the top left corner. 2. Click on Add to associate an inspection. To associate an employee or a contract, you will 1. Click the Addition button in the top right corner. 2. Click on the Add to associate an employee or a contractor. As you click on the Add button, a window will populate, opting you to associate an employee or a contractor. To activate a Work Order Master through the Scheduler service or manual, when the Work Order Master is activated, the details from the Inspection tab will transfer to the Work Order and the Inspections tab will be read-only. To view this, you will 1. Go to the Work Orders module. 2. Click on the Work Orders from the drop-down menu. 3. Select the Work Order record. 4. Click on the Edit icon. 5. Click on the Inspections tab located to the right of the Attachments tab. Response Answers in the Inspection tab, Proteus MMX Web. To access the Inspection tab, you will 1. Go to the Work Orders module. 2. Click on the Work Orders from the drop-down menu. 3. Select the Work Order record. 4. Click on the Edit icon. 5. Click on the Inspections tab, located next to the Attachments tab. Closed Work Orders Inspections Detailed tab transfer. When you close a work order, either through mobile or web, the inspection detail will transfer to closed work orders. To access closed work orders, you will go to the Work Orders module. 2. Click on the work orders from the drop-down menu. 3. Select Close Work Order Record. 4. Click the View icon. 5. Click on the Inspections tab located next to the Attachments tab.